Albert Stoll really helped me when I was in a time of need. I was injured on my mountain bike, riding down Mount Tamalpais in Mill Valley, California. And my case wasn't the biggest case. This was simply a car injuring a bicyclist, a very small incident relative to others. And Albert Stoll was kind enough to take my case, even though it wasn't the biggest case he'd ever seen. And he was kind enough to give me enough individual attention that I knew I was important to his practice. I never felt any separation. His phone calls to me were always updates on very important information that I needed to know. And whenever I called him with an inquiry or question, he usually picked up his phone, believe it or not. He even communicated to me with text messaging. I felt a lot more comfortable with Al than I had ever felt with any other attorney. I really felt like Mr. Stoll believed that my problem needed to be resolved. I wasn't just a number. I wasn't just another person in his practice. I was a person, and that made me feel good. I felt like a valued person when I was in Al's practice. I was very pleased with the outcome of my case. The amount that I received in terms of compensation was enough to cover my medical bills, as well as enough to provide myself with new equipment that might have been lost. I would recommend Albert Stoll to any other person who would have a personal injury problem, because I believe that person would be treated well and with respect.